Absolutely. Our conditionings that we bring into each relationship, our expectations on ourselves, our expectation on our relationships, whoever that person may be. And when we ourselves aren't satisfied, often by that person, whether it be our mother, whether it be our husband, whether it be our best friend, we don't get a call back, we weren't invited to a birthday party, whatever it may be, we can experience negative side effects, insult, whatever it may be. Emotional intelligence, or being sensitive, being increasingly aware of our own ideal emotional state, allows us to tap into an understanding of another person's perspective. And for me, that's what gives me a much more empowered ability to respond to relationships in my life, recognizing what's the need of that person, what's the expectations of that person. Am I responding in a way that's going to be productive for this relationship, not only for my own benefit, not imposing only my expectations on that person, but understanding in a way that's sensitive emotionally and mentally, and in a way that's based on conditionings, our society, in a way that's going to help move that relationship forward in a positive way. So it's not a selfish process. It has to be a symbiosis of work. And I can only control my own personal efforts that I put into a relationship. So through meditation, I introspect constantly. It forces me to be aware of what I'm doing and enables me to be empowered to make decisions that are beneficial rather than simply selfish.